Okay, the thing is, I'm not even actually going to prom, but I wanted to make a prom video because it's prom season, so that's why I'm filming this video right now. It took me like 2 hours and it's like kind of late right now, sort of. It's like 4 o'clock and I actually hate filming late. So I don't know, I just hope I finish this video in like 15 or 30 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back with a prom video. I know a lot of people had their prom videos up already, so mine is kind of late. But yeah, so I'm just going to start off with primer, if I can find it. The setting is a little bit weird. But oh well. I'm just gonna use this Smashbox primerizer that I just got. I'm gonna use this Solo sponge. I've been liking this. I like using this for primer, actually. So I'm just gonna use one pump. Wow. Okay, that's kind of really watery. So I'm going to put on foundation. I'm going to use this foundation. It's NARS foundation in Vienna. This is the new one that they just came out with. It's the Natural Radiant foundation. Oh, pump. What? 2 pumps actually. I use 2 pumps usually. And I do that on one side of my face. Actually, this could cover more than just one side of my face, but it's actually a lot. So it actually covers a lot. I'd say maybe medium coverage, full. And now I'm just gonna put on my concealer. So I'm gonna use this concealer, and it's the Face Shop one. And I got this one in Vietnam actually. Pretty good. And this is a really light shade and it really does brighten up my skin. Just do that, like little triangles under my eyes. It's a pretty good concealer. I didn't use too much, I only used a little bit. So I'm also gonna use this Essence eyeshadow primer. This is like my holy grail. I use this like all the time. I've used a lot of it, but I don't think it's gonna run out anytime soon. So yeah, this is the applicator. And then I'm just gonna set my face with this powder. This is the e.l.f. translucent powder. I don't know if this is like, if I'm looking super pale or not. I don't know what the setting of this camera is right now. I'm sitting right in front of the windows, so that's why it's really like bright in here. So I don't know if I'm looking super washed out or not. Yeah, I'll use this translucent powder and put it on my face. This is the brush that I use for powder. I'm only gonna put it at certain parts of my face. I don't want to like dry it down too much because my skin is already dry, so I don't like using too much powder. That's like a tip for people with dry skin, especially for prom. Do not, oh my god, just got it in my eye. Okay, do not use like a powder foundation, because if your skin is already dry and you put on a powder foundation, it might make your skin have like little cracks in it, or like it won't look good in pictures. So yeah, like maybe for oily skin, like powder foundation would look a lot better. But yeah, that's why I use a high-end foundation, because I mean prom has to be like a really good foundation that you know that is gonna like look good in pictures and this one looks really good in pictures. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. It's this one. It's actually a dupe for the Anastasia one. So I just finished my eyebrows. I used this pencil because the other L'Oreal one, it actually ran out on me while I was doing my eyebrows. So yeah, now I'm gonna use this one. It's the Benefit Cup Brow. So like I'm also going to highlight under my brows using highlighter, pencil highlighter. And yeah, just like drop that under my eyebrows and blend it in. So I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to work on doing my eyes because I'm not done with my eyebrows. But I'm going to use this lighter shade first. It's called Salted Caramel. Use that shade. Okay, I forgot that I wasn't recording, but I took this eyeshadow, it's by the Balm, this one, and I took a little bit and I put it on the outer part of my eyelid, just like a little bit, and then started blending. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm actually going to use a darker shade in Semi-Sweet, that shade of my eyelid. And try to make it darker. This one actually does look pretty dark. This requires a lot of blending, so I did blend a lot already. I don't know how it looks right now on camera. I don't know if it looks like that dark, because in person it does. I feel like on camera it might look more subtle. I don't know, because in person I think it looks, yeah, it's like a maroon shade, because that maroon shade made it really dark, and that dark brown shade mixed together. This glittery, like loose eyeshadow. I actually got it from Ipsy. Ipsy actually sent it to me because I have Ipsy, and I was actually gonna do an unboxing, but I don't have time to do that today. This is in Melting Maple, and it's this really pretty gold shade. And I'm just going to take this eyeshadow. It's the Maybelline Color Tattoo in the shade Barely Branded. This is a really old eyeshadow. I don't even know if they have it in stores anymore. I'm just gonna try to put it on my eyelids as like a base for the loose eyeshadow. I feel like I should get a new one because this eyeshadow is pretty dry. So I'm just going to take this eyeshadow and use this brush. brush and put it right here. So I'm just gonna highlight in the corner of my eyes with this Milani highlighter in J Glow. I'm gonna take the same brush I used earlier and right here. And now I'm just going to contour this Anastasia contour palette. This brush. I'll use the contour or heavy handed on this. I'm gonna just like sharply, just like that, and then a little bit of contour. But I don't want it to be too harsh actually, because I'm gonna go with bronzer too. So now I'm just gonna use this bronzer. It's too thick bronzer. So I just finished like bronzing my face, and now I'm just going to highlight. I'm gonna use this Becca like liquid highlighter. Forgot what shade this is in. Opal. This is the shade. And this is the applicator. So I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. Oh, I think I put too much. But just right on the high points of my cheeks. That. So I'm just gonna take this Milani highlighter again and take this brush and put it right on top of the liquid highlighter I put on earlier. Like right there. So I'm just going to take this Tarte blush, and I got this from Ipsy too actually. Like a lot of my makeup is from Ipsy. Just gonna take this Real Techniques brush and put it on my cheeks. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the face makeup. And now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. So I'm going my mascara. Oh my gosh, I was actually going to do eyeliner. Wait, I was going to do the eyeliner. I forgot about the eyeliner. I was going to do my eyeliner. I completely forgot about it, but oh my gosh, I literally forgot about my eyeliner. Really important step, but I literally forgot about it. I'm gonna try to do it now. It was kind of hard because my eyelashes are curled, so this might be a little bit tricky. Eyeliner, and I'm going to do the other eye and curl my eyelashes, and I like put on mascara, and I'll be right back. Hi, so I just put on my fake eyelashes. I think I look insane. Like, oh my god, can you see? Like, oh my god, this looks so weird. I'm like shook. My waterline, but like, yeah. And I think I'm gonna do my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take off these lashes because they won't cooperate with me and it's literally falling apart. So I think I'm just gonna take it off because I don't know, these lashes are really dramatic and I'm not really into it. I don't know, it's like they're really hard to put on. I don't even know what to put them right now, but like I don't know. I'm so bad at lashes. I don't know how people put them on every day. I'm so bad at them. I'm just gonna take them off. So I just finished curling my hair. It actually took a while. It's like a mess now. I know. Okay, this doesn't look that good. I forgot to spray my hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, after I put on my dress, I have to spray my hair, but so I just used this Essence lip liner, and now I'm gonna use the Kylie lipstick. Oh my god, it smells so good. I haven't used this in a while, actually. So I just finished my makeup, my hair. I sprayed my hair already, and I put on my dress. That's what it looks like. In my makeup, I took off my falsies because they looked really weird. So I just, yeah, I have mascara on. That's pretty much it. Yeah, this is the look.